To start a new diagram, click the New Project button located at the top right of the dashboard. You'll then encounter two project type options within a modal window: Complete Website Planning or Focus Diagramming. For this instance, let's opt to build a diagram. Proceed by setting up project details. Give it a name and, additionally, you can customize your project by adding a logo for branding purposes. By default, each new project begins with a blank canvas. However, you can jumpstart your project with our vast collection of diagram templates. To preview any template in detail, click the eye icon next to its name. Click Next, set up your team to assign team members to the project. The account owner and all admins are automatically included in new projects with full permission from the project manager by default. Use the search field at the top to add new team members. Choose from the existing user list or create a new one. Finalize the project setup by clicking the Finish and Create Project button. For more information, please visit our support site. Thanks for watching.